Hello guys, today we're gonna unbox POCO F2 Pro. It is phantom white color and it's a 6GB 128GB variant. It supports 5G connectivity also. And talking about the processor, it has a Snapdragon 865 with built-in cooling system. So let's check what's in the box now. Let's see what we have here. SIM ejector tool, some paperwork, warranty card, and a case. Yeah, it's a hard shell case. Transparent one, looks good quality. Yeah. So now we have the phone. POCO F2 Pro with Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 with 5G and LiquidCool Technology 2.0 and AMOLED full screen display, 6.67 inch and a quad camera 64 megapixel with 8K video recording and also 20 megapixel front pop-up camera. And as you can see, we have 4700 mAh battery and it comes with a 30-watt fast charger. So let's open it up. So there we have the phone. It's full screen display. And if we see on the downside, we have a SIM ejector, Type-C, and speaker and noise cancellations. So if we look at the top side, pop-up camera 20 megapixel, 3.5 mm headphone jack, and on the right side it's volume rocker and power button. Nice color on the power button. And on the back side it's Gorilla Glass 5 and it's a cross. If you see, it's in X shape. 4 cameras are in X shape, and in the front also it's Gorilla Glass 5. So now let's try to set it up. It says POCO. So while it's powering up, let's see what's in the box. What else in the box? USB Type-C, and a fast charger in the box. It's 30-watt fast charger. So let's keep it aside. Nothing else. So everything is here. Okay, SIM ejector tool. So let's see here. Yeah. So MIUI 11. Yes, now you can see the setup is complete. It's loading up. So it's ready to go. Let's see here, 6.67 inch AMOLED display. So let's have a look at the camera. So yeah, camera looks pretty nice. So this is a pop-up camera. It's it looks pretty amazing. The colors, everything. When it comes out, yeah, you can see the light coming out from the both sides. Yes, it looks nice. And yeah, so that's all guys. If you like my video, please do like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.